Hi, welcome to ETC channel. Today we are at block 827, Tampines Street 81. And we eat dim sum, and later we got a lot of Char. And before that, don't forget to subscribe to ETC channel. Okay? Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to ETC channel. Tonight we are going to Tampines Street 81 Kimli Coffee Shop. Remember to subscribe to ETC channel.
Never been here before.
First shop is Singlong Porridge. This serves typical Teochew porridge, and they have another big branch in Kovan. Next is the Muslim store. Unfortunately tonight is closed, but otherwise normally in the night it's also still open. Next to it is the Western food that is called Tender Bass and Wazai roast meat, delicious roast duck, pork and char siu. And you have the fish soup that also has the pork knuckle, braised pork knuckle with rice. And you have this Teochew noodle shop that sells all the different noodles, and the dim sum that is affordable at $1.50 for every items. You buy 10, you get one free. Enjoy!
Trứng trộn phán. This one
with
Hao Cao.
prawns and char siu also. Hao Cai.
Yeah,
Hao Cao.
This one is spinach jiao.
Spinach bao.
Cai jiao.
Then this one
This is salted
salted
egg
egg
prawn.
prawns.
And this one is the fragrance homemade
Homemade brinket, yeah. And this is 4 rice.
Yeah.
Okay. We will continue later.
Okay, here, so this is, we ordered sambal sweet potato. Oh, so this is sambal kangkong. It's from the zi cha.
Only the potato leaf.
No more. They sold out. Yeah. So these are what we're gonna have, plus one more, which is the curry fish head. So remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe to ETC channel.
Looks really good.
Yeah, I told you right, it looks unappetizing, but it's very delicious. This one first time ordering. Okay, so this is the curry fish head. Yum yum. Wow, it's a lot.
And it looks like nice because the gravy is thick, right?
Yeah, the fish looks very big. Yeah. So this coffee shop has a special offer right now. So you have the salted egg prawn or the other prawns, but today what we ordered is salted egg prawns, curry fish head, kangkong sambal, and the bean curd, homemade bean curd for $66 for 5 to 6 people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we ordered some dim sum also. Okay, let's eat. Yeah. Is it nice? Nice?
The tofu outside crispy, inside is soft. Very good.
Very delicious. So not bad lah.
Try the meat.
The garlic fish is fresh. Very fresh.
So far, everything is okay.
Fully recommended. The garlic fish is very good.
This is the sambal house. Then part of the set is the prawn paste chicken.
Or hot chong gai. Hot chong gai Chinese called.
Yeah. See, everyone is hungry because the food is very nice. Healthy.
Don't take spicy also eat.
Hey also.
Yeah. Very nice.
Not like I think spicy.
Very nice. Yummy food. Yay.
Well, the prawns is very.
So after we finish the food, everything, okay, I will rate this one number 1. The curry fish is nice, the gravy is nice, the sauce is everything is nice, and this hot chong gai, the meat okay, but the gravy is a bit different from what I eat. So I give him around 1 to 10. I give only 5 lah. This one, sambal kangkong. The chili is good. The kangkong is not bad. So I give it around 7. This one tofu, I find that the on top that one is what we call what the char is too little, not much. Only the meat a lot, and the taste are not so fancy. This one I only give around 6 to 10, maybe also 7 lah. Like where else? Okay, this one finish everything. This one is the salted egg prawns. You might eat when it's hot or warm. Cold already, you eat, it very jirak. So give him around 8 upon 10. Overall is 10, about 7 upon 10. You okay? Thank you. I do recommend can come here and eat the food. The curry is very nice and yummy. The salted egg prawn also is good. The kangkong sambal is good also, except the tofu and the prawn paste chicken. A bit, not so tasteful, especially the hot chong gai, the marinade, not nice. Don't have the fragrance. Then the tofu is crispy outside and inside is very tender, but should be more Thai pork than meat unless you like to eat pork a lot. Then it's recommend. Overall, I will give 7 upon 10. Must subscribe, because we got other coffee shop to go. Recommend. Here not only one coffee shop, okay? 827 got a few coffee shop. So subscribe and see where we go.